Well, here's an interesting turn of events. We go into our hotel room. This one takes like a 3-hour nap because she was pooped, which is okay. She was tired. It's her vacation too. And if she needs a nap, then we go back for her. Or for me, for that matter. And then we wake up, step outside our hotel. Yeah, it's raining. So, we're going to California Adventure in the rain. Get our money's worth though, darn it.
The lines are nice and short.
Exactly, the lines might be shorter. And we can do Bruce the River Run, and it's okay if we don't get if we get soaked. Right? Right. Good thing my jacket had a hoodie. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling I'm having again. I don't think World of Color is going to be going tonight, don't you? Do you? No. Wet, huh? That's an astute observation. Is your butt wet?
No.
No wet butt?
It's tight dry, that's how it fits it.
Yeah. From all the other butts sitting on here, it's helped your butt get dry?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you get the wet side, haha.
I'm in the dry spot though. Other people in ponchos. See?
We have umbrella.
You have an umbrella. I have a hood.
I think it stopped raining.
I think it's done raining for now. Who knows? If I remember, rain's in the forecast for Thursday also. Ready?
Tastes just like pepperoni stick. Where's that fish stick?
So Radiator Racers is a 2-hour wait.
I think I've done it with you.
So we're gonna ditch each other, right? And go single rider, which is a 30-minute wait. Does that sound like a plan? Who knows? We might get the same car. Anyways, right? It has stopped raining at least, right? Yeah, they really split us up. She had to go a secret back way single rider, and I'm in line with the other riders. How do you feel now that you've touched a snail? I don't know, why have you always wanted to touch a snail?
Can we keep it?
No, we're not keeping it.
Can we keep it? I shouldn't have looked down.
Why?
I shouldn't have.
Look at your hair flowing. Did you swallow the bug?
No.
You made a face like you swallowed the bug.
No, I was licking my lips.
Part of the Food and Wine Festival, Elizabeth is going to try shrimp boil tacos. Well,
Alright, I don't really like this show.
you don't like the shell?
No, no.
Alright.
It's a little spicy.
Oh, good. You want me to finish them?
It's spicy.
Okay. Go ahead and turn the camera on. This time my child's in front of me. You're gonna race Race Man all by yourself? Are you scared? She's scared.
Thank you. Sure, my model is wearing. On the other side of greatness. All aboard!
You ready to go?
All aboard!
You little monkey in the cage.
Junior's coming down the track, coming down the track with a smoky sack. We're worth coming round the hill. Casey's here to fill every.
You have young person.
Pretzel.
Let me see. Stuck. Said your Mickey Mouse shaped pretzel that you've been looking forward to. I have a jalapeno cheese filled pretzel. That's pretty good. Huh?
Do you have a cent?
No, but you found a quarter. Last ride of the day. You ready for the last ride of the day? Last ride of the day. Then we're gonna go sleep. And then breakfast with Chippendale in the morning. You tired, huh? You tired, huh? Is you and your friend tired? Okay, well he says good night.